My name is Danielle Henderson. I'm the Natural Resource Manager for the Truckee River Flood Management Authority. The Truckee River is really vital and important to our community. It provides the majority of our drinking water and all sorts of recreational opportunities for people who live here and visitors as well. It's a closed system, so it's really important to understand that whatever we do within this system, it stays in this system and can have long-lasting effects. What we're really trying to do is reduce flood risk and flood damages while also restoring the ecosystem and creating a healthy river that can provide numerous benefits. That type of stewardship has been really important to our agency and our work. It's part of our mission. In partnership with local, state, federal agencies, we have worked over many years to restore over 450 acres, create habitat, and restore about 8 miles of the Truckee River. We have partnered with the Nature Conservancy for many years. In 2003, the Nature Conservancy did a small-scale pilot project at the McCarran Ranch. This was a restoration project. The McCarran Ranch Restoration Project really was the first major success story on the lower Truckee River. It served as sort of a model or a blueprint for how we could restore the lower Truckee River. We partnered with the Nature Conservancy on 4 main projects at Lockwood, Mustang Ranch, the Tracy Power Plant, and the 102 Ranch. We provided funding and technical expertise and also some oversight, and the Nature Conservancy focused on implementing the project. We've continued to work with them to ensure that these sites are protected and that they continue to function as designed. When we restore these areas, what we're doing is we're trying to create a healthy, functional ecosystem. We are excavating floodplain terraces. We're lowering the land on either side of the river channel so that the water can actually spread out and infiltrate into the soil, which helps with our groundwater supplies and improves water quality. That water also supports vegetation, plants along the river that stabilize the riverbanks and also provide habitat for lots of wildlife species. The vegetation along the river can also shade the river channel, which improves conditions for fish because it lowers the water temperature. And again, it holds the soil on either side of the river so that it doesn't wash away during flood events. The natural recruitment of new plants has been really phenomenal on these sites. We've also seen increases in the number of wildlife species that are using these sites, as well as the biodiversity, so the different types of wildlife species. Because we've done these large-scale projects throughout the river, it's almost like it's connecting these pieces of habitat. The different wildlife species can travel between sites and really does create more of a comprehensive ecosystem for those species. The idea that we can create a restored ecosystem in the middle of town is just really exciting to me. We can go to the river and just appreciate it as a natural system. We can recreate there. There's opportunities to do research there. The potential, I think, is really what is exciting to me about this project, and it always has been. And now that we're moving forward with it, it's really great to be here and to be a part of that. Something that is just so special for our community.